Do you know how to replace a dead battery on your key fob? No? Well, let's find out today. What you're going to need is a new battery, a 2038 battery, and a flathead screwdriver. So if you have a key similar to this, what you're going to do first is you're going to get onto this top side. There's a small pin. Pull that pin, it releases this back door. Go ahead and take that door off, set it aside. You're going to take your small flathead, and there's two slits here. You're going to go ahead and insert the flathead tip into one of those slits. Set that aside. Okay. There's a small opening right in here. We're going to go ahead and insert the flathead there. Try that off. So here we have our battery. Okay. You're going to go ahead and use your flathead and slide it underneath this opening and just pry it open. On the bottom side here, there's a small opening where you can take your flathead screwdriver, slide it in, and you pop the battery out, just like that. Now repeat the steps in reverse order with the new battery in, and you're good to go. Now you have a working key fob.